The 2025 Chrysler 300C is a luxurious and powerful full-size sedan that's been a staple of the American automotive landscape for decades. But before we dive into the details of this exceptional car, let's take a step back and look at where it's most popular. The Chrysler 300C is widely used in countries such as the United States, Canada, and Australia, where its reputation for luxury, comfort, and performance has made it a favorite among sedan enthusiasts. In fact, the 300C has been a staple of the Chrysler lineup since its introduction in 2005. Speaking of which, let's take a brief look at the history of the Chrysler 300C. The 300C was first launched in 2005 as a 2006 model, and it quickly gained a reputation for its exceptional performance, handling, and luxurious amenities. Over the years, the 300C has undergone several updates and refinements, with each new model building on the success of the previous one. The 2025 Chrysler 300C is the latest iteration of this exceptional sedan, and it's packed with even more features and capabilities than before. So, what makes the 300C so special? Let's start with its design elements. The 300C has a sleek and sophisticated exterior design, with a bold front grille, swept-back headlights, and a muscular stance that gives it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the 300C is equally impressive, with premium materials, comfortable seating, and plenty of advanced technology features. One of the standout features of the 300C is its advanced infotainment system, which includes a large touchscreen display, navigation, and a range of connectivity options. Under the hood, the 300C boasts a range of powerful engine options, including a 3.6-liter V6 engine that produces 292 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. There's also a more powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine that produces 363 horsepower and 394 lb-ft of torque, as well as a high-performance SRT model that produces 470 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. In terms of price, the 2025 Chrysler 300C is expected to start at around $40,000, making it a competitive option in the full-size sedan market. But how does it compare to other sedans on the market? Well, the 300C's exceptional performance, handling, and luxurious amenities make it a compelling option for those seeking a premium driving experience. In terms of performance, the 300C is exceptional, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 5.8 seconds and a top speed of over 150 miles per hour. Handling is also impressive, thanks to the 300C's advanced suspension system and precise steering. So, what sets the 2025 Chrysler 300C apart from other sedans on the market? One of its unique selling points is its exceptional interior space and comfort, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The 300C also features a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Another unique feature of the 300C is its advanced technology features, including a range of connectivity options, a premium audio system, and a large touchscreen display. The 300C also features a range of innovative convenience features, including a power trunk lid, a range of storage compartments, and a versatile cargo area. Overall, the 2025 Chrysler 300C is an exceptional full-size sedan that's sure to impress even the most discerning driving enthusiasts. With its exceptional performance, handling, and luxurious amenities, the 300C is a compelling option for those seeking a premium driving experience.